Ever wished you could seamlessly place an image onto a surface that's not perfectly flat? Let's dive into Photoshop and master the art of perspective. First things first, open the image you want to manipulate in Photoshop now. Drag and drop the image you want to place into your scene onto the same document. You'll likely find it's not sitting quite right yet. With the image you want to place selected, go to the Edit menu, and then choose Perspective Warp. This is where the magic happens. You'll see this grid. Our goal is to align these grid lines with the lines of the surface you want to place your image onto. For example, if you're placing it on a tabletop, align the grid with the table's edges. Click and drag the corner points of the grid to create planes that match the perspective of your target surface. You're essentially telling Photoshop, this flat plane of my image needs to conform to this angled surface in the background. Once you've established one plane, you can create new ones to accommodate more complex surfaces. Think of it like drawing boxes onto the object you're working with. Continue dragging the guides to precisely match the perspective of your background. The goal is to make your placed image look naturally integrated into the scene, as if it were actually there. Once you're happy with how the grid aligns with your surface, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the perspective transformation. And there you have it. Your image is now seamlessly placed with accurate perspective. Try it out on different surfaces for some truly eye-catching manipulations.